So our goal was just to create a space that would have a lot of functions. So not only is it a great space for students to hang out, but we've also created a space that benefits the environment and also a space that is dedicated to a few of our students who have passed away recently. So the benches are our dedications to students who recently passed away, and we thought that it would be important to create another environmental aspect with the benches, so they're 100% recycled plastic, and we recycled all the plastic ourselves.
This is a restored prairie habitat, otherwise known as a pollinator garden. It comes from some research with Michigan State University, and we've replicated the same seeds that are in a whole bunch of prairie strips around the state in hopes of restoring tall grass prairies. You're going to see a wide variety of plants that are intended, and then you're going to see a smaller section of plants that are not intended, but that is all part of a science process that will happen for the next 10 years. So for the next 10 years here at Buchanan High School, the biology and the chemistry classes will do biodiversity and soil quality. We've developed a series of experiments where students can go out to this area and collect data, and hopefully over the next 10 years we'll see it transition from a monoculture grass situation to a restored tall grass prairie. So this is pretty unique. This isn't something that most high school students get to do. Field research usually doesn't happen until you're an undergrad. Maybe for some people it doesn't start till graduate school, but the school really believes that if students are actively engaged in everything that they're doing, they will see themselves in those fields later on.
Well, I think everybody deserves to have the chance to leave a mark on the school. It's such a small community, it's so fun, and I'm just glad that I was able to help create change. And I love that we have so many opportunities to do that constantly, and it's just great.
Let's go Bucks!
Let's go Bucks!
Let's go Bucks!